Absolutely, but let's hear out from Prashant Khemka from White Oak Capital Management as to what are the opportunities that he's identifying in the India equity markets.
As a team, look at all these businesses, each one of them. We often say that, and tying to the earlier conversation, we were talking about sectors, we are talking about now sub segments within a sector or within an industry, which is capital market intermediary. So we look for areas where there is a strong capture of value creation. I can't go into specific, but there are capital market intermediaries which enjoy a very strong market position, highly profitable, and those are some of the names that we've owned for considerable length of time and have very large positions in our portfolio. Asset management companies also we continue to evaluate. At this point, I'm not sure that we have any one of those in the AMC portfolios. Certainly in offshore portfolios as of now, we have very limited exposure to the asset management space. But we do have distribution companies, wealth management companies, as well as some of these other intermediaries which service the asset managers and wealth managers. Unfortunately, can't talk about specific names, as you can well understand.
Okay. So, Prashant, let's understand the importance of election. While markets are not worried about what the election verdict would be, do you think from a market standpoint, more than the election, the budget is of importance and we could see a swing move this way or that way depending on what we hear?
A very good point, Nikunj. I think that the next major event to look out for is the budget in July. I think, look, the election is also very important, particularly from a foreign investor's viewpoint. I think the domestic investor base has taken already concluded and acted upon that conclusion um, uh, regarding elections. But I think amongst foreign investors, there's still a large segment which wants to see the event behind us. They're prepared or have been preparing to act, but they want to see the event behind us before taking action. So, putting the event behind on June 4th would be an important milestone, if you will. Not taking anything away from that, but